Wow, look at this beautiful nudist beach, or FKK, FKK as they call it in Germany. This is Mesečev Zaliv, Moon Bay, and we can also see the moon over there. Not sure if you can spot it, but it's there. So the real purpose of this beach is being given by the name of the satellite that is the moon, that is orbiting Earth. And let me tell you, it was not the easiest way in, especially from where I came here, from this road. And I was actually on my way to Bela Skale, White Stairs Beach, and then I wanted to show you once again Mesečev Zaliv because it's quite huge and it's so unspoiled, and because it is very hard to get in, it is definitely a perfect nudist beach spot. So after this vlog, after my swim, I'm going to walk along the coast and see if I can get to Bela Skale, White Stairs. If not, I need to go back and circle around. And today I'm on a mission to walk from Portorož to Koper and explore different beaches. I will also stop at Izola, that is over there, and maybe Koper is around the corner. I'm not really sure at this point, but it's a long way to go, and I have 7.5 hours to get there and also to enjoy in the beaches. So Beach Adventures with Chris, 14th of October it is, 12 o'clock exactly, and we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna see soon how warm is it in the water. I have measured already in Portorož, it was 20 degrees, slightly colder than the previous 2 days, but let's see if here on the more open sea it is a bit warmer. I just love this type of inaccessible beaches, and the sun won't be here actually that much longer, as I can see, because this one is facing north. So you should come here probably in the early morning or late in the afternoon and then just walk around the bay on the other side. There will be some sun. So Moon Bay, Mesečev Zaliv, nudist beach again on my channel. And let's see if it's going to be easier here to swim compared to yesterday, that it wasn't that deep, I remember. But just look at this wild nature. But that cliff over there is actually dangerous, and some particles might fall also, so you need to experience caution as well. Let's see the temperature. It is okay, between 20 and 21. Closer to 21, so we're gonna round up to 21 degrees. So yeah, I'm so happy to be experiencing so many different nudist beaches. And what I have noticed also, even on the public beaches, some people are not afraid to take off their clothes. So the nudist beach culture in Slovenia, it seems to be very wide spread, and that's how it is. So let's see if I will be able to walk here along the coast and then find a way up the mountain or the hill. The water is so clean and nice, and also, as we have seen, warm as well. So let's then dive in and enjoy a nice swim on this nudist beach, Mesečev Zaliv, Moon Bay, with the moon over there. So all right, then, ready, set, and go! Whew. Such a wonderful swim in the sea, for sure. And the climb down was definitely worth it. And please wish me luck to find a way up again also later. If not, I will need to come back to this point and then not have that much time for the other beaches today. But let's see if I can find another nudist beach along the coast. So make sure to tune in for the next beach adventure to see where I end up. But Bela Skale is also probably a nudist beach, as it is very inaccessible, like this one. A wonderful view, wonderful nudist beach, and it's time for me now to enjoy a swim. 10-minute swim that I usually do, the second one for today. We can see over there, that is Italy. I'm going there later tonight. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Mesečev Zaliv, Moon Bay Nudist Beach in Slovenia. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!